Hi friends, next SQ from our series, that is from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this is 4 marks question from second year zoology, that is from respiratory system, unit 1B friends. What is our question friends? Simply you said transport of carbon dioxide. But in your IPE textbook the question is like this friends. What are the major transport mechanisms for carbon dioxide? Friends, what are the major transport mechanisms for carbon dioxide? Explain. Friends, you know carbon dioxide is a respiratory gas. It is produced in the cells during respiration. Friends, first you write carbon dioxide is a respiratory gas. It is produced in the cells during respiration. Friends, this carbon dioxide, see friends, it is transported from cells to lungs. So it is produced in the cells friends. It has to transport from where to where? From cells to lungs. It is transported in 3 forms friends. Now actually our answer is starting friends. It is transported in 3 forms. First, you know what are those 3 forms friends? One is as carbonic acid. As carbonic acid. Second one as carbamino compounds. Third one as bicarbonates. First one is what friends? In the form of carbonic acid. Second one in the form of carbamino compounds. Third one in the form of bicarbonates. Once again friends, in the form of carbonic acid, that is H2CO3. Second one carbamino compounds, that is carboxyhemoglobin. Third one bicarbonates, HCO3 minus. Okay friends, now we'll take one by one friends. First one as carbonic acid. This is also called as what friends? In the dissolved state. Dissolved state. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ నీటిలో కరుగుతుంది, ప్లాస్మాలో ఉన్న నీటిలో కరుగుతుంది యాజ్ ఇన్ డిజాల్వ్డ్ స్టేట్. See friends, in this form 7% of the carbon dioxide is transported. ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? మన కార్బానిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్లో ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్? 7% of the carbon dioxide is transported. See friends, about 7% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of carbonic acid. How much percentage friends? 7% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of carbonic acid. See friends, carbonic acid is dissolved in the water of plasma. You know friends, blood has 2 parts, blood cells and plasma. Plasma has water. The carbon dioxide which is coming out from the cells dissolved in the water of plasma and form carbonic acid. See friends, here carbon dioxide plus H2O. What is H2O? This is water of plasma. Carbon dioxide ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చింది ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనకి? సెల్స్ నుంచి. This carbon dioxide dissolved in the water of the plasma and form H2CO3. Friends, this is carbonic acid, H2CO3. CO2 plus H2O gives rise to H2CO3. In this form, how much percentage friends? 7% of the carbon dioxide is transported. Once again friends, first one as carbonic acid or in the dissolved state. About 7% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of carbonic acid. This carbon dioxide is dissolved in the water of plasma and form carbonic acid. What is its equation friends? CO2 plus H2O gives rise to H2CO3. That is carbonic acid friends. Okay friends, that is the first one friends. Now come to second type of transport. As carbamino compounds. Friends, as carbamino compounds. See friends, HbNH2. Friends, you see hemoglobin has ammonia. It is a protein friends. It is made up of amino acids. So at one end it has amine group HbNH2CO2, that is carb amino compounds. See friends, about 20 to 25%, 20 to 25% of the carbon dioxide is transported in this form. 20 to 25% of the carbon dioxide. Simply you say, write 23% friends, average. 23% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of carb amino compounds. See friends, carbon dioxide combined with the free amino group of hemoglobin. See friends, hemoglobin is a protein, it is made up of amino acids. Amino acid at its one end it has amino group. This carbon dioxide combined with the free amino group of hemoglobin and form carb amino hemoglobin. Carb amino hemoglobin. This carb amino hemoglobin is a reversible reaction friends. See friends, CO2 plus HbNH2 gives rise to HbNH2 friends. This is a reversible reaction. Like this, how much friends? 25% or 23% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of carb amino compounds. Okay friends, next friends, last one, very very important one. In the form of bicarbonates. In the form of bicarbonates, that is HCO3 minus. Friends, major portion of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of bicarbonates. About 70% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of bicarbonates. Friends, how much percentage friends? Nearly 70% of the carbon dioxide is transported in the form of bicarbonates. That is very very important friends. Major portion of the oxygen is transported in the form of oxyhemoglobin friends, with the help of hemoglobin. But here major portion of the carbon dioxide transported in the form of bicarbonates. See friends, here you have to remember one more important enzyme, that is carbonic anhydrase. What is it friends? Carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic anhydrase. Friends, carbonic anhydrase is an enzyme present more in the red blood cells. Friends, it is present in the plasma also, but very little amount of the carbonic anhydrase is present in the plasma. But red blood cells have more carbonic anhydrase. This enzyme, what is that enzyme friends? Carbonic anhydrase helps in the formation of carbonic acid and bicarbonates from carbon dioxide in the following steps. What is the use of this carbonic anhydrase friends? It helps in the formation of carbonic acid and bicarbonates. From where friends? From carbon dioxide. Now here you see the steps friends. First one, see friends, in the first step, carbon dioxide reacts with water. In the presence of which enzyme friends? Carbonic anhydrase. It forms carbonic acid, H2CO3, that is carbonic acid friends. Here this reaction is activated by an enzyme. What is that enzyme? Carbonic anhydrase. See friends, this carbonic anhydrase in the presence of same enzyme splits into what friends? Bicarbonates and H plus, HCO3 minus and H plus. Friends, very very important. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of carbonic anhydrase, it forms carbonic acid. Friends, this is carbonic acid. Next, this carbonic acid in the presence of same enzyme splits into bicarbonates and H plus friends. Like this, what happened friends? Carbon dioxide is transported in the form of bicarbonates. Friends, here you remember one word. Actually, no need to write here. Here you have to remember chloride shift. What is chloride shift? Chloride shift is also called as Hamburger phenomenon. See friends, this bicarbonate is formed in the RBC. This bicarbonate which is formed in the red blood cells or erythrocytes diffused out into the plasma through the plasma membrane of the RBC. At the same time, to compensate the ions, chloride ions which are present in the plasma enters into the RBC. So the exchange of bicarbonates and chloride ions between RBC and plasma is called as what, friends? Chloride shift or Hamburger phenomenon. This is a 2 marks question, friend. Chloride shift or Hamburger phenomenon. Okay, friends? Here this is about what, friends? Transport of carbon dioxide. Transport of carbon dioxide takes place in 3 forms, friends. What are those 3 forms? First one is in the form of carbonic acid or in the form of dissolved state. Okay, friends? Second one is in the form of carbamino compounds. Third one is in the form of bicarbonates. This is very, very important 4 marks question from second year zoology, friends. Okay, friends? Thank you. Good day.